Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change file permissions in Windows 10. In Windows 10 you can set the permissions of files, such as who can modify, read, or write a file. To do this, right-click a file and select Properties in the contextual menu. Or, if you have Windows Explorer opened, you can select a file, click the Home tab and select Properties in the menu bar, then choose Properties from the drop-down menu. For example, to make a file read-only, click the Read Only checkbox and click Apply, then OK. As I right-click the file again, I'll select Properties, then click the Security tab. Here in the Edit option, you will be able to add or remove a group or username. You can also check specific permissions for each user. You can also select Advanced to change special permissions for the file. Here you can change the owner and view the basic and advanced permissions for each user. You'll notice that currently the options are grayed out. This indicates that the file has inherited permissions. To remove these permissions, select Disable Inheritance, then remove all inherited permissions from the subject. To add permissions for the file, click Add, select a principal, type the user you want to give permissions to, and click Check Names. Now you can check which basic and advanced permissions you want for the user. Click OK, then select Apply. Now the file can only be read or written by the selected user. This covers how to change file permissions in Windows 10. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.